In the swirling progression of events this century, the rigid standards of form have undergone dramatic changes. The march of progress has given rise to new styles and phenomena in fashion. From being an expression of status, fashion has been transformed and has become synonymous with individual freedom, with color emerging as the true protagonist of this incessant evolution. Founded in 1933 by Arnaldo Zerbi, the company was given an immediate boost by a vigorously expanding market and the necessary determination to establish itself rapidly at the top of the textile finishing sector of the European market. Today, in the plant at Lonate Ceppino, Tintoria Zerbi's organization and equipment is on the leading edge, able to respond fully to the requirements of knitwear manufacturers.
I must have seemed when he told me that he loved me.
From the minute the grey fabric arrives at the factory, every operation is oriented towards satisfying the requirements and specific requests of the client. An identification card bears the characteristics and special processes required and ensures a customized treatment for each batch. By reading the barcode, the central computer is kept constantly informed about the state of progress. Once the grey fabric has been prepared on an automated line, it is sent to the dyeing and bleaching department. In the main plant, the heart of the Zerbi factory, automatic machines load, dye and download kilometers of knitted fabric in continuous and discontinuous mode, with dye batches from 80 to over 1,200 kilos per color. Technicians control every stage of the entire pre-programmed process. Making up the dyeing recipe is the most delicate stage of the dyeing process. The colors are researched and tested in the laboratory using completely automated procedures. And the data collected are processed by a computer which produces the final formula. For Zerbi, exploiting know-how built up over the years to satisfy every possible requirement of its clientele is synonymous with a continuous commitment to research and a quest for innovative technology. This makes the company an ideal testing ground for machinery manufacturers engaged in optimizing systems. In fact, Tintoria Zerbi has leading-edge equipment and can offer a wide range of treatments geared to enhancing or customizing the final appearance of the product. The mercerizing department is one of the largest in the world. As a result of the action of caustic soda, cotton undergoes irreversible changes, with a considerable improvement in quality in terms of shine and dimensional stability. Another important process is singeing. This high-tech plant removes pile from the fabric, giving it a particularly clean, fresh look. The process is controlled by a computer which sets the speed and intensity of the flame. Of the various finishing processes, the most prestigious is sanforizing. This special process ensures that, by compacting and stabilizing the fabric, its tendency to shrink when washed will be limited and constant. If this value is kept under approximately 3%, Zerbi has the right to label its fabrics with the Sanfor Knit Fabric trademark. Another important trademark is Ecotex, that guarantees perfect compatibility with the norms regarding the health and safety of the end user. Staff training and investments geared to the more widespread use of computer applications and process automation are tools that guarantee the highest standards of quality and results. The manufacturing cycle is constantly and ruthlessly subjected to quality control, right up to the precise final test. The uniformity of the yarn, its resistance to the various treatments, the yield of the dyes and the stability of the fabric must always correspond to pre-set standards. At the end of the cycle, the batches are prepared for shipment and packaged by a completely automatic system in accordance with the client's wishes. Global service is the motto behind Zerbi's operating policy. Indeed, to consolidate this concept, a special department has been set up to concentrate exclusively on printing. The system in operation is one of the latest installations and means that also this special process can be completed at company headquarters. Additionally, as part of its intention to offer an increasingly broad range of services, Zerbi has set up Smalltex, a dynamic, flexible company specializing in processing small batches. It was conceived to assist clients even in the stages prior to actual production, from laboratory testing to the finished sample. Manufacturing today with an eye to the future also means being aware of the consequences your activities have on the ecosystem. Tintoria Zerbi has designed and built an independent purification plant for treating wastewater. Operated and controlled by a biologist and a chemical specialist, the purification plant can treat 3,000 cubic meters of water a day in full compliance with current regulations. Resolute commitment, management geared to product and service quality, and an ongoing search for innovative solutions have assured Tintoria Zerbi a prestigious international position in the knit fabric textile finishing sector. Awareness of this role keeps alive the company's determination to achieve a basic aim: to make life more colorful.